how to open HBL Mobile Banking account. Now, if you want to open up an HBL Mobile Banking account, you must have already had an active bank account, and we will only learn in this video to register for a mobile banking account for an already existing bank account. In order to do so, just make sure to launch the HBL mobile application on your device. Once you launch the HBL mobile app, these are the interface that you will see. I'll just skip this for now. Here, if you already had an account to log in, you would need to enter them and tap on login. But to register, tap on the option that says sign up right over here. From the sign up button, you can enter your CNIC number of your bank account or also your customer ID. Or if you're not a Pakistan national, you can enter a customer ID provided by HBL branch. Then agree to the terms and conditions. And after you do that, you can just hit the agree button and tap on the next option. After that, you will be asked to choose a mobile number and a password, after which you verify all the details. Your mobile banking account will be successfully activated and registered. This way you can basically open HBL mobile banking account. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.